Welcome to Micro Center Shows You How. My name is Dave. I'm a technical support associate at a local Micro Center store. It's our job to answer your computer questions, whether they are simple or more complex. This video is part 5 of my PC-101 series designed for new or inexperienced users. Today I'll show you how to do a simple backup of your important files. Now, a backup is nothing more than a copy of files that are already on your computer to a place that is outside of your computer. Again, this is for simple backup. I will not be discussing backup designs for more complex needs, such as mirrored RAID arrays or incremental clones. Here are the questions I'm addressing for a simple backup plan. Why you should back up, what files to back up, how often to back up, and where to back up, that is, the media to use. The reason for doing backups is simple. Hard drives fail. They die on average after 3 to 5 years of use. Now, if the drive dies before you've made a copy of your files, then you will lose them all. All those vacation photos, all those tax records, all those songs and videos, all those letters you've written and received, everything. At Micro Center, we work with customers every day who have lost their data because they did not have a simple backup plan. The second question has to do with what should be backed up. While businesses may need to back up programs and operating systems in case of hard drive failure, I'm suggesting only a data backup for the simple user. Data is the collection of files that you've made, such as documents, videos, pictures, and music. After all, you can reinstall Windows and your application programs, but you can't simply reinstall your data. You can only copy it back to a computer from a backup source that has been carefully made beforehand. The third question has to do with how often a backup should be made. Should it be done every minute or hour, daily or weekly, or should you set up a reminder system? The simple answer to this question is, you should back up any new files you put into your computer immediately. Whenever you create or add a picture, document, or song, if it's important not to lose, you should back it up right away. My fourth and final question has to do with where backup files should be stored. What kind of media do you put backups on? Well, some people choose USB flash drives. They are inexpensive and easy to use, but in truth, they fail more often than hard drives. Best to use flash drives only for moving files from one computer to another, and not for serious backup archiving. DVDs and CDs are better mediums for backup. Quality discs can last for years, but they do take longer to make, and they are a good choice for backup only if you don't have a lot of data. Online data services are becoming more popular. It's a good choice if you need to put your backup off-site to protect from such things as fire or theft. But online backup will typically cost a monthly fee. It is slow to restore and of course requires an online connection. For simple backups, I strongly suggest using an external hard drive. They are inexpensive, dependable, fast, and easy to use. Now, here's a demonstration of how to back up your data files in 7 easy steps. First, you start the Windows Explorer File Manager. Windows XP users can simply double-click My Computer. Then you locate your Libraries folder in Windows 7 or My Documents in Windows XP or Windows Vista. Now pick a category that you want to back up. For this illustration, I'm backing up my music files. Once you're in your main music folder, highlight the first Artist folder with the left click of your mouse. Next, use the elevator on the right side of the page and scroll down to the end of your main music folder. Then hold the Shift key down with one hand and then use the mouse to click the last Artist folder. Once you've highlighted all the music folders that you want to back up, now right-click on any of them in blue and then left-click on Copy in the drop-down menu. For the last step, locate your external hard drive in the left column of Windows Explorer. Navigate to the folder where you want to keep backup copies of your music. Now right-click on that main folder and then left-click on Paste that shows in the drop-down menu. It may take several minutes to complete the copying of files. You may also have to tell Windows to overwrite old files if you've done a previous backup. Once the dialog is finished, you've completed your backup task. In summary, for simple backups, I suggest backing up your data only, not your programs. I also suggest that you make backing up data a routine every time you add new files to your computer. Finally, I suggest that an external hard drive be the place where you keep your backup files. If you follow these steps, you'll sleep easier knowing that your data is safe. That's it for this time. Thanks for watching. Micro Center shows you how.